Again, about 25 or 30 years ago, I had food poisoning. And there's a lot of doctors in my family, medical doctors, board certified doctors, and we were all at home for whatever reason. And I went and knocked on my brother's door, and he said, "Go to the emergency room or pay me $100 and I'll watch you vomit." And then I went and knocked on my dad's door. He had this bizarre response, and I know it was deep and fearful and scary, but basically I just vomited about 20 times, and then I finally went slamming on his door. And in that one moment when I cried out to him, my whole body calmed, and the pain all went away. It came back, but for that moment, it all went away. And that's the way I feel about any healthy expression of rage. I'm not talking about illegal stuff, graffiti, or, I don't know, tipping cars over or starting fires, but what a better way than slam poetry. So, this is my ode.